Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand HTML elements. First, what is an element? A HTML element is composed of an opening tag, followed by content, and a closing tag. Opening and closing tags are formed with the tag name enclosed with less than and greater than symbols with an extra slash before the tag name of a closing tag. There are different types of elements: empty or void elements, block level elements, and inline elements. Empty elements don't need a closing tag as they don't contain any content. Block level elements always start with a new line and takes the full width of a page. Inline elements do not start with a new line and takes width as per the content that they encapsulate. We will explore more about all these types of elements in our further videos. HTML elements are not case sensitive, but make sure we use the same case in both the opening and the closing tags. And W3C community recommends using lowercase tags. Never skip a tag on the elements that contain content, though the browsers display the content properly, as it may sometimes result in unexpected errors. Each element has a specific purpose and we have to use them accordingly. Here is the prototype of an element which included tag name, content, and then the closing tag name. Here are some of the examples of elements. The first one is a heading element with h1 tag, and then the second one is also a h1 tag but with uppercase. And the next one is a paragraph tag which includes the content within the opening and the closing paragraph tags. And the last one is a list of empty elements. Overall, HTML elements are the building blocks of a HTML document which is used to add content to a HTML document. Next, let's look at the difference between a tag and an element. Each HTML element is defined by an opening tag and ends with a closing tag if it contains some kind of content. So elements that contain content only need a closing tag. Here are some of the examples that doesn't contain content: BR, HR, and image tag. And here are some of the examples that contain content. The first one is a heading tag and then the paragraph tag. Now let's look at the nested elements. HTML allows nested elements. One HTML element can have another HTML element inside it. Here are some of the examples of nested elements. The first one is a heading element which included an italic element. Similarly, the next one is a paragraph tag which included the bold and underline elements. This is all about HTML elements, and in our next videos, we'll explore more about all these elements. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.